At the southern tip of Texas lies Starbase, a place where the future is being built at breakneck speed. Here, on the windswept shores of Boca Chica, a new era of space exploration is taking shape before our eyes. This isn't just a launch site, it's a rocket factory, where SpaceX is assembling the next generation of spacecraft, Starship. The facility buzzes with activity, as engineers and technicians work side by side, piecing together the most ambitious vehicles ever conceived. These rockets are designed to be fully reusable, aiming to make space travel as routine as flying an airplane. The vision is to launch, land, and relaunch over and over, drastically reducing the cost of reaching orbit and beyond. The energy at Starbase is electric, with teams working around the clock, transforming stainless steel into vehicles destined for the stars. Sparks fly and machinery hums, as the site never truly sleeps. Progress is rapid. Every visit reveals new rocket sections rising skyward. Towers of gleaming metal appear almost overnight, a testament to the relentless pace of innovation. Ship 39 and Booster 19 are the latest milestones, representing SpaceX's relentless push forward. Each new prototype is a leap closer to the dream of interplanetary travel. The secret? Rapid iterative development. Build, test, learn, and improve. Fast. This approach allows SpaceX to innovate at a pace rarely seen in aerospace, turning setbacks into stepping stones. Failures aren't setbacks, they're lessons that fuel innovation. Every explosion, every test gone wrong, is a data point that brings the next rocket closer to perfection. Walking through Starbase feels like stepping onto a sci-fi movie set, surrounded by colossal rocket parts and the hum of heavy machinery. The scale is almost surreal, with each component hinting at the future they're building. Booster 19 towers over the site, while Ship 39 is a giant in its own right. Together, they dominate the landscape, symbols of human ingenuity and ambition. Their assembly is a testament to human ambition and teamwork. Every bolt tightened and every weld completed is a step toward a new chapter in spaceflight. The goal isn't just one rocket, but a fleet, making space travel common and affordable. Imagine dozens of starships, each ready to carry people and cargo to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Each new ship and booster brings us closer to that reality. With every rollout, the dream of a multi-planetary civilization inches forward. Ship 39 and Booster 19 are more than metal. They're symbols of progress and hope for a multi-planetary future. They represent the courage to try, fail, and try again. Under the Texas sun, these vehicles are being ready to open a new frontier. The heat, the wind, and the relentless drive of the teams all combine to push the boundaries of what's possible. The work at Starbase is laying the foundation for humanity's next great leap. Every day, the site grows, evolving into a launchpad for dreams that once seemed impossible. The dream, cities on the moon and Mars, built by the rockets assembled here, feels closer than ever. Starbase isn't just a factory, it's the birthplace of humanity's future among the stars. In rocket science, setbacks are not just expected, they're an essential part of the journey. Every mission, every test, carries the risk of failure, but also the promise of discovery. When Booster 18 was lost during a pressurization test, SpaceX didn't pause, they learned and moved on. The failure was a harsh reminder of the challenges, but also a valuable lesson. The loss provided crucial data about the booster's limits, immediately applied to the next in line, Booster 19. Engineers pored over the results, determined to improve every detail. SpaceX's rapid response is key. Multiple vehicles are always in production, so progress never stops. This overlapping workflow means that innovation is constant and setbacks never halt momentum. Booster 19 was assembled with lessons learned, making it stronger and more reliable. Every weld, every bolt reflected the knowledge gained from past attempts. This approach, failing forward, defines SpaceX's culture of innovation. Teams collaborate, share insights, and push boundaries together. By building and testing quickly, they turn challenges into opportunities for improvement. Each iteration is a step closer to perfection, and every setback fuels the next breakthrough. A lost booster isn't a disaster, it's a stepping stone. The data collected from failures is just as valuable as the successes. The rapid assembly of Booster 19 sent a clear message: SpaceX is relentless. Their determination to keep moving forward is unmatched in the industry. Their manufacturing strategy accelerates development, keeping the Starship program on track. Every day, new components are built, tested, and improved. Each new booster is more than hardware. It's a symbol of perseverance. It represents the collective effort and ambition of everyone at Starbase. This ability to adapt and overcome is what sets Starbase apart. The spirit of innovation is visible in every sunrise over the facility. Every rollout is a testament to the pursuit of making humanity multi-planetary. Each milestone brings us closer to a future among the stars. The journey continues, with each booster bringing us closer to that goal. Booster 19 stands as proof that progress is built on persistence, learning, and the courage to try again. While Booster 19 took shape, a parallel revolution was unfolding at Starbase. Ship 39 emerged as the very first of a new, improved design, Block 3, marking a major milestone in Starship evolution. Think of it as a next-generation model. On the outside, it looks familiar, but inside, it's packed with cutting-edge upgrades and advanced technology. Ship 39 is noticeably longer, designed to carry more propellant than ever before, enabling it to haul heavier payloads and reach deeper into space on ambitious missions. This extra capacity is absolutely vital for building sustainable lunar bases, supporting long-term exploration, or sending crews and cargo all the way to Mars. Block 3 also features a simplified yet much stronger structure, with optimized internal systems for efficiency and safety. Fewer parts mean faster, more reliable builds, reducing complexity and making each starship easier to assemble and maintain. Ship 39 is a leap forward, built on years of relentless testing, hard-won lessons, and constant improvements. Its rapid assembly is a testament to how quickly Starbase can turn bold ideas into working reality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As the first of its kind, Ship 39 paves the way for a new fleet of starships, setting the stage for a future where routine space travel becomes possible for humanity. Starship Flight 12 debuts a new era of technology. The Block 3 Starship and Booster 19 bring major upgrades, most notably the powerful Raptor 3 engines. These engines are more efficient, powerful, and easier to build, enabling heavier payloads for Moon and Mars missions. Both booster and ship are stretched for extra propellant and thrust. Booster 19's new grid fins offer better control and durability for precise landings. Ship 39's improved heat shield uses stronger, more reliable tiles to withstand re-entry. Each upgrade, engines, structure, fins, heat shield, forms a critical piece of the puzzle. Flight 12 will test all these systems together, providing data to refine the design. It's a major step toward a rocket that can open space for everyone. Before launch, Starship faces a gauntlet of ground tests. Cryogenic proof tests ensure that tanks can handle super-cold propellants under pressure. Static fire tests ignite all engines while the rocket is held down, verifying power and control systems. New features like Raptor 3 engines and redesigned grid fins undergo their own rigorous checks. Each engine is fired repeatedly before integration. This intense testing finds weaknesses before flight, making the rocket safer and more reliable. Every test, success or failure, yields data to improve the vehicle. By launch day, Ship 39 and Booster 19 are as ready as possible for their journey to space. Safety is paramount for every Starship launch. For Flight 12, both booster and ship will aim for soft splashdowns in the ocean, not land. The booster will perform a boost back and landing burn, targeting a gentle water touchdown. The ship will re-enter, control its descent, and splash down in a remote ocean zone. This approach tests critical landing systems in a forgiving environment. Each splashdown builds confidence and provides vital data for future landings. Only after repeated success will SpaceX attempt land or tower catches. For now, a successful splashdown proves the core technologies for reusability are working. The upgrades on Flight 12 are about more than rockets. They're about unlocking humanity's future in space. Block 3's increased capacity enables massive payloads for lunar bases and Mars missions. Fewer refueling flights make deep space missions more achievable. These advancements are crucial for NASA's Artemis program and future lunar landings. Each successful test brings SpaceX closer to making life multiplanetary. The goal: self-sustaining cities on the Moon and Mars, enabled by reliable, affordable rockets. Rapid development and constant improvement are building the highway to the stars. Flight 12 is a critical step, turning science fiction into reality for all of us.